some of the most important things to keep in mind are like your own self-reflection and your not own self-knowledge about your own attachment patterns, and remembering that we have three different sets of needs. We have physical and sexual, we have emotional, and then we also have social needs. And if your partner is not going to meet you and meet you where you need to be met at in all three of those areas, chances are you're either settling, which is each person's choice, or there's some way that you're not valuing yourself in one of these areas. Like physical needs are both sexual and the chemistry and attraction, and really feeling like your body physically wants to be close to someone and will feel that freedom to do so. And also, you are physically compatible. Like you might have the same sleep schedule, you might both like to exercise and do similar or complementary activities. And then a lot of people underestimate the social needs category. How much do you want to be in contact? Do you want to FaceTime? Do you want to text? Do you want to see each other? How often, how many hours of the day do you want to spend together, if at all? I mean, making sure that you are socially compatible with your partner is so important for you feeling like your social needs are met in that relationship. And finally, emotional compatibility is also crucial. If you are not feeling like that person can keep your needs at front and center along with their own at the same time, you're going to run into some issues. And ideally, you would want someone that's thinking about you, even if they can't meet your needs. That's okay. That's part of life. That's part of an adult. But are they thinking of them? And do they acknowledge that you have your own individual set of needs in each of these areas?